Welcome to my first YouTube channel. Finally, I have been trying to organize myself to make this channel, and when I start, something else always coming up. But I say, not this year. This year, I'm starting my YouTube video. Alright, my name is Kalita Leonard. The name of my channel will be Kalita Stylish Ways, because I will be bringing beauty, fashion, and many more to come. For now, it's just beauty and fashion. But let me tell you a little bit about myself. I am from a small island called Trinidad and Tobago. Actually, I'm from Trinidad itself, and I decided to bring forth something for you all. This channel will be dealing with makeup, fashion, besides makeup and fashion, many more, but at this time, makeup and fashion. For my career, I am a professional waitress and a bartender, but mostly I do waitress. I work in restaurants, hotels, and even cruise ships. Right? I'll be having more content on that in the near future, but for now, I'm just dealing with this right here in my own space. Right? With makeup, I will bring in tips and tricks for you all. I'm so excited to start this video for 2022. It was on a whole so long, it was overdue. I say, not this year. I am doing what I like. I really love makeup. Usually before, I used to do people's faces, but I stopped because of the pandemic, right? And this channel is for you all to learn. From now on, you are my glam scribe. So this is my first video. I'm a little bit scared, but on the other side, a little bit excited. So please come and join me, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and put on the notification bell. I'll be giving you a lot of content about different style of makeup, soft and glam. And for fashion, I will be showing you what I wear, what fashion come out, and them different kind of stuff dealing with fashion. I brought out some questionnaire on my Instagram status, asking about what I think about my YouTube channel, and I put out a questionnaire, and people ask me questions. So the first question they asked me, what is your YouTube channel about, right? And my answer was creating content and beauty, fashion, plus I will be adding more content to the near future, right? They asked what kind of looks I'll be creating. I'll be creating all the looks you could think about, seasonal, meaning like Halloween, bridal, whatever, but mostly I will be doing soft glam and glam on this channel, right? They asked a question, tell us more about myself. Well, my name is Kalita Leonard. I'm a makeup artist, an international makeup artist. I've been watching celebrity makeup artists. I've been watching YouTube, so with that now I get to do makeup. So I went and do an international course, and I grasped the art of makeup. The next question was, do you also offer classes for beginners? No, I will not be offering any classes. No time soon, who knows, maybe in the future, but for now I am focused on this channel right here. How long have you been doing makeup professionally? I've doing makeup professionally 6 years now, and plus, so I ain't finishing now, but my goal is to become a celebrity makeup artist, and that is the goal I pushing for now. It's not like if I want to do other people makeup. Yes, I will be doing other people makeup. I would like you to come back to this channel. You know, I will just always say I've been pushing off this channel for the longest while, and I just keep on praying about it and asking God what holding me back. But being honest, it's fear holding me back from talking to you, and I need to start to get brave enough to bring out content for you all. So I've been praying and asking God to guide me and to support me, and He given me this encouragement to overcome this fear that I have. Without God, you are nothing. So always put Him first in your life. And for this channel, I will be uploading every Sundays, 1 day per week, every Sunday for now until further notice. When I start to get better in doing this, I'll start to upload twice, but for now it will be every Sunday I will be uploading, right? I'm so happy and grateful that I come on here to start this channel, and whole morning I've been turning and twisting to how to start it, but I'm glad I reached in this position to come in front of this camera to start this video. And right now I'm taping on my iPhone for now. I have a Canon camera, so next time I have to I will start to upload on my camera, because that's what I buy the camera for. I have my equipment since 2020, and yeah, that's to tell you how long I wanted to start this channel. But I'll start using that, and maybe sometimes I'll use my phone because I'm getting a nice video right now, so who knows. But guys, please come in. You are my glam scribies, that's why I will be calling you from now on, and I would like you to come and learn something. Alright, I will really love for you to come, so please subscribe, comment, like, put on your notification bell, so when I upload videos you can see when my videos pop up on your device. I am also on Instagram and Facebook. The link will be down below, so you can click on it and add yourself to my two platforms. The name of my two platforms is CS Glam Edition. Feel free to go across. I love you all. God love you all. So thank you. See you next time. Hi everyone. Besides being on YouTube, I am Hi, welcome to my channel. Since